Free accounting software for small businesses, Wave versus Zipbooks versus Akaunting, which is the better free accounting software? Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be dealing with 3 accounting softwares that are super popular and which one is the best for you to use as a small business. So let's get into it. Now, before I get into the dashboards of all of these, how they function, we are going to do a price comparison. And by price comparison, I mean I will be comparing the different free plans that they offer. So what are the features of the free plans that you can get? Now you can see over here, first off, we have Wave. On Wave Accounting, you can get free invoicing, your accounting is 100% free, your banking is free. So these 3 features are absolutely for free, and then you have to pay for other features. Now, in terms of Zipbooks, you have unlimited invoices, unlimited customer and vendors, as well as accepting digital payments. Now, you can't do digital payments completely for free on Wave. You have to get paid, and you also have certain transactional fees, and these will be in accordance to your specific transaction. So that is one thing that Zipbooks takes the cake on. Then we also have accounting. So on accounting or accounting, whatever you might want to call it, we have one company, one user plus one accountant, 4 apps included. So in your 4 apps, you have invoices, bills, customers, vendors, and multiple currencies. So you can't really make payments directly off of accounting. In terms of making online payments, Zipbooks is definitely the best for that. And you can see it's pretty similar. You have invoicing and accounting features mostly for free, all 3 of these platforms, and other than that you also have some basic payment options that are for free on Wave and Zipbooks. Now moving on to the actual use of these softwares and the feature-wise comparison. This is the Wave dashboard. On the dashboard you can see I have a sample company. On the left side of my screen I have the navigation panel where I can monitor sales and payments, purchases, accounting, banking, reports, Wave advisors, and tax filing. Then on Zipbooks, I have a pretty similar layout, but on Zipbooks, you also have time tracking integrations. You have transactions, reports, as well as detailed financial statements, accounting, taxes, expenses, team tracking, and other reports that you can generate. You also have contacts, vendors, time tracking, and accounting options as well. Then if I go on to the accounting dashboard, so in the accounting dashboard, I will just log on to the specific profile that I created to show you guys what a profile is going to look like. So this is the basic dashboard with a summary. On the left side you have a pretty similar, a more simplified dashboard of items, sales, purchases, banking, and then you have some other settings where you can click on new and start creating new invoices in customers, bill, expenses, vendors, and transfers. So in this kind of dashboard, it doesn't have your accounting, has a slightly different categorization of items. Now I'm going to do a feature-wise comparison because that is what is most integral for any small business, because you want to know whether or not the features that you are looking for are present within these accounting softwares. So to get started, in terms of accounts payable, so accounts payable are available on all 3, but we have bank reconciliation, which is a very important feature, which is matching the balances of an entity's account records with the corresponding information on a bank statement. Now, this cannot be done on Zipbooks. So, a lot of people are like, hey, these are obscure features. Well, when you're actually running a business and you want to take a look at your accounts, you want to take a look at your specific reports, or you have your vendor over here, or you have your customer, and the bills are not matching the invoices that you're sending out, it can be difficult. So for that, I definitely do think that Zipbooks lags behind in it. Then we also have CPA firms. So CPA firms usually is not available on accounting. So if you are looking to build something with CPA firms, which is, collaboration with professional experts, then you can't really in-house expert of accounting. Then in terms of different features such as cash management, collections, expense tracking, fixed asset management, general ledgers, multi-currency options, payrolls, accounting, project accounting, purchasing is available on all of these categories, but all the other options that I mentioned are not available on Zipbooks. So if I go onto Zipbooks and I want to do something as collections or expense tracking or fixed assets, I want to add a fixed asset. Well, I really don't have a section for that, but in Wave, I can go into my products, or I can go into my purchases. I have multiple different accounting sections. I have accounting reconciliations as well. So I can create or generate fixed purchases, fixed assets. You can also build general ledgers as well as multi-currency options, which are not available on Zipbooks. So accounting also has all of these options where you can add items that are your fixed assets. You can add multi-currency options. You can build payrolls as well. Now on Zipbooks currently, if you take a look, they have integrated payroll, but this payroll is not a in-house thing. This is actually built off of Gusto, so it's more of an integration, not their own payroll system, and it's not going to feel as secure when you're making payroll, especially if you're trying to automate it. That might feel like a bit too difficult to set it up. It might not be difficult, but it might just not be as secure. Now, in terms of tax management, revenue recognition, and spending management, you cannot do that either on Zipbooks. So if I want to go ahead and file my taxes, so you can see over here in my report section, I have accounting and tax, but when I go into my invoices, I don't have taxes there, and my transaction, I don't have a taxes category in there. So you're gonna have to manually do all of those tax calculations in Zipbooks. So in terms of generally comparing these three, definitely Wave and accounting are way ahead of Zipbooks. So for a small business, if your work is only limited to generating invoices, you can do Zipbooks, but I don't recommend it simply for the features. On the basis of that, you don't really need a time tracker on an accounting software. Unless you are trying to bill your hours if you're a separate accountant, then you really don't need a time tracking integration in most use cases, I'm saying. So I don't really find it as helpful. So I would much rather use Accounting or Wave to serve as my accounting manager, especially even if I'm a small business. The reason for that is, even as a small business, you especially need to build collections, you need to build cash management, you need to build expense tracking, and these are all features you can easily build with the in-house softwares of Wave and Accounting. You can click on items, you can click on new items, you can build your inventories, you can go on Wave, do the same, click on create new. Let's say we have a product or service, and you can add your products, you can add your services, and just really be super easy to set up if you're selling it, if you're buying a certain thing. So you can both add your suppliers, the items that they are selling you, as well as the things that you're selling to other people, and it's going to be a overall seamless item. You can also choose to create services on Accounting. So it really is something that is going to help you in categorization in terms of accounting. So if you want a product or a service, you can select that. On Wave, you have a product or service. It doesn't really have a specific category where you can specify it. So I definitely do recommend Wave and Accounting. Both are pretty much toe to toe. I wouldn't say one is specifically better than the other than CPA firms. So if you're looking for an in-house professional, Wave is definitely going to offer you multiple different professionals if you want. So I definitely would say that the free plan of Wave is the most packed with features within their software. Accounting is not really that bad either, but for the free version, I definitely think that Wave is going to provide you with the best value. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.